there, I hope you guys are doing amazing. So happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. I'm just trying to take you through what my week looks like this week, if I am able to do that. Today is Saturday, like I just prior mentioned, and what I've been up to today is just shooting for the blog and for the channel as well, because I've been doing lookbooks of late. You guys have been seeing that, and yeah, I've just been out and about. It's really windy. The weather is so bad today, so I'm really struggling to get done with that. But what I'll do is in a quick minute I'll just fix up my room, and then I do the Instagram video that I usually do. I like to do like a style Sunday, if that's a good word to put it, and I usually just pop in a couple of like looks, casual, formal, depending on my mood, on like some kind of looks that you guys can get some inspiration on my IGTV. So again, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram, because I don't want you guys to be missing out. So yeah, other than that, yeah, my day has been amazing. How are you guys doing? I would really love to know how you guys been. How was your Women's Day? How did you celebrate it? How did you celebrate the special women in your life? I probably actually didn't do much because I really had school yesterday, and so I was busy kind of all through, so bummer. But then today we'll probably have like a lunch and see how that goes on. Yeah, so I will go ahead and get that done. So I'll do a little bit of fixing here and there for my room, then I'll probably shoot the Instagram IGTV video. Today I'm thinking of doing a couple of like casual looks that look pretty nice to get out with, so I might do one with, I don't know, I'll know after I'm done shooting. I'll tell you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I've actually just finished getting the major part of the organization done. I've actually decided to organize my room, and then I can easily now start shooting the video. So I'm done cleaning the bed, changing the beddings, not cleaning the bed, but then like changing the beddings, and you know, just making my bed look a little bit more presentable. So now what I'm left to do is that heap of clothing over there needs to get fixed, because usually I shoot from that side my IGTV videos, so I need to get that fixed. And then as soon as that's fixed, now I can actually go and prepare for the video. Hopefully I get all of this done before the sun sets, because it's around 3ish, so I'm hoping to do all this before the sun sets, because I am really not in the mood to do artificial lighting at the moment. So I really want to make use as much as I can of daylight, of which the daylight is not that good either. But yeah, so I'll see how that works out. So I'll see you guys later. So I'm finished tidying everything up. What I'm about to do is just go right ahead and shoot the video for IGTV. And yeah, this is usually my setup ish, so quite simple, quite regular, so to say. So yeah, I think we'll see what happens after that. as you can see, I've just finished doing majority of the stuff. It's kind of evening, it's actually midnight, so I need to go sleep. I've had quite a relaxing afternoon. I've actually taken a bomb-ass nap, so I just woke up and now I've been copying things from like the card to the laptop, so that just in case if tomorrow I need to shoot, I don't have anything extra or like anything that's filling my SD card, so that's not possible for me to shoot, because I hate it when like the card is full and sometimes I forget to carry an extra card, so I need to get everything copied up. Yeah, I'm getting finished with that and I'm kind of really happy with some of the shots we took today. I mean me and mom, because we went outside with mom, so I kind of really like this look, and if you don't see it here, then you'll probably see it on the blog. If you don't see it on the blog, also check out couple of my YouTube videos, because I'm sure this looks will be there. So I really love this looks. Yeah, so anyway, I think I'll end today here, so I'll probably just see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully if I have anything interesting to do tomorrow, then I'll take you guys with. So yeah, good night. Morning guys, happy Sunday. So yeah, today's Sunday and oh, it's actually been snowing. Like, it's been really bad, so I don't think I'm going anywhere today. Maybe I'll go somewhere in the evening, which will depend, but for now I'll just wake up and maybe kind of do some editing before I go and freshen up and then decide what I want to do with the day. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing. Basically that's me today, so I don't think I'll be on here much today, because yeah, like you've seen, nothing much to go around, so yeah. Yeah, as you've seen, I just went downstairs to get my mom to help me trim my hair, and I was so scared about it, because usually I'm so scared about trimming my hair, so I actually cannot, like, I literally cannot do it to save my life myself, so I have to get someone to do it. She's trimmed it a bit. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm happy, of course, because I asked her to do it, but I'm like low-key regretting, because then I already missed the length. If you can see from the mirror that after the trimming, that's the length of my hair. If you can like properly see, I hope you guys can see like properly well. So yeah, that's the length of my hair, and yeah, it's actually not all that bad. But now I want to see if I can braid it out and see what happens after that, because yeah, I'm kind of looking for something that's going to keep me going for a bit of some time. Yeah, also I didn't show you how my room ended up looking. I finished up the bed, as you can see over there. I have, of course, some what do you call this, wires, because I need them for the laptop and want to charge the camera, and my office space is just yuck. And then I finished off this part of the room, which was where I was shooting, like I said yesterday, which was where I was cleaning. So yeah, that part is done. Even my mirror is very clean and happy. So yeah, I will see you guys later. I'm just done doing my hair, and it's not obviously the neatest job ever, but I think this will do. This will keep me for a couple of days, because especially I think it was just a wake-up call after it started snowing today. I was like, yeah, see, open hair cannot survive this weather, so I need to do something about it. So this is done. I am so glad that I've like installed this on my hair, because then now that means I can take a break, and I might also like cut down some hours of thinking what I need to do with my hair, because then, you know, sometimes you have to think of, do I wear a hat, do I style my hair, and do I wear a wig? So I think I'm so glad that that's done. So I'll keep this in for a couple of weeks, maybe 3 or 4. We'll see how the weather goes, or if I'm going to return, we'll just see about that. So yeah, I think I'm not up to anything else, because again it's like 9 o'clock. So I think maybe just chill down a little bit, plan for my week tomorrow, and then maybe go to sleep. So if I don't do anything, then I'll just say good night. So good night, guys. So I just watched back the footage and I realized I didn't do an outro, so I think I'll just get that done here, and just to say that I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And basically that was my weekend. I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me and stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Before you leave, kindly do comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I'm posting a new video. Until next time, keep safe and bye.